Look at this person now.
Hi guys. Say hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hi guys. Hope you guys are doing good. Today is Saturday and I'm taking this young lady for a birthday party. I just took a shower. My hair needs to be loosened this weekend, that's for sure. But I'm wearing this orange dress that I hauled in my last Shein haul. You guys remember? I'm wearing it today, and Mia is wearing this cute, I'll show you guys what she's wearing, but is this cute cute princess glittery dress, because the theme of this birthday party is like real princess. Okay, it's a 5-year-old birthday. You guys will know D Babalola. She's a YouTuber. Well, she hasn't been consistent, but she's a YouTuber. So her daughter Jasmine just turned 5, and today is the birthday party, and Mia Rose was invited. And she's very excited. So I'm just trying to apply a little bit of makeup. You guys see that my brows are, this is like day 3 since I got my brows retouched, so they've actually gone darker, as you can see, and very soon they'll begin to flake and all of that. I'll just do like a very quick makeup, just foundation, concealer, powder, lipstick, maybe some blush, and I'm good. And Mia Rose is all ready, as you guys can see. It's all ready. She's very excited for this party. You guys have no idea. I don't recall the last time she packed her hair like this. Most times it's losing, wash, remake it, losing, wash, remake it. So this is the first time in a very long time that she's packing her hair like this. I actually loosened it this morning and washed it, okay, and packed it.
And it's like
What? Those are my blue light glasses. Those are my blue light glasses, girlfriend. Well, glasses fits you, but you will not wear glasses in this life in Jesus' name. I don't want to hear mommy, I'm so sorry. I don't want to hear all that. Please, no. Please. No. Okay, mama, I need to do my makeup. It said 12 p.m. It's almost 1:30 now, so I want us to leave this place latest 1:30. Let me just do small makeup and I'm good to go.
Me too.
You too, what? Of the birthday girl. Where is the birthday girl, Seth? She's inside. You guys see Rain wants to spoil this beautiful setup. It's very annoying. Yeah, it's like, mommy, are we there yet? Are we there yet? Are we there yet? So she's like, one day, where are all the kids, mom?
Wait, you gotta tell me what you did.
Can we all be on our feet as we take the opening prayer, please? Can we be on our feet? Please, let's all be on our feet. Okay, quickly, go and bring me your mommy. Go and call your mommy. Come on with your mommy. Quickly. DJ, go back on, quickly. Come on. Okay, now. All right, quickly. All right, so right now, what you need to do, I want your child to stay in front of you. If you have more than one, do a family meeting. I need just one. As soon as the music starts, I want to see only the parent's head moving along with the music. I will tell you, not the children, I said the parents. Children, don't dance, don't look back. Tell them, don't dance, don't look at mommy. All right, the parents, now once the music starts, all you need to do is to dance along with your head. I will tell you when to join your hand and your body as well. Now, the game is, once the music stops, You carry your child till I say drop. Children, that dance, don't look behind. Come on. Carry till I say drop. Carry till I say drop. We are counting 1 to 200. We are counting 1 to 200. Carry till I say drop. We are going to 200 right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And what these parents, all of them are strong. Oh, please keep them. You can drop them. Thank you very much, the parents. You can all go back to your seat. The children, please let's come to our seat. Wow. All right, parents, let's do this. In or out? Parents, in or out? In or out?
Out.
In or out? In or out? We should do it again, ba? Yes. All right, let's go again. DJ, roll it again. Oh, my wonderful friend. You need to do that one. Right to win. 20 more seconds. Come on. Hey. Come on.
Mama, sit. Mama, sit.
Right. Hey. Mama. Okay. Another mama. Baby, what's your name?
Glory.
Oh, Glory.
All right, parents, please put your hands together for Glory. Thank you very much. Glory, thank you. Sorry. Violence everywhere.
Hey. Mama, sit.
Uh-oh.
No.
Mama, don't mind them. They are all bigger than you. And let us leave them.
They are bigger
Baby,
than
what's your name?
Mia Rose.
All right, thank you very much for coming. Please put your hands together for her. My baby is forgetting she's playing again. Hurry up, 6 chairs. Hurry up, 6 chairs. Please close your eyes, the women. Stretch forth your hands. Close your eyes. Stretch forth both hands as if you want to receive something. There is a special gift for this game, this particular one. Why are you looking at me? I say close your eyes. Oh, you want me to send you out? I will not send you out. You need this man to remove his sunshade. It'll be good. All right, now, once the music starts, you start tying that gilly. As soon as the music stops, you stop. Are we good? This is the second stage. It's remaining only one stage. That is the stage where you get to beg the man to help you win. Hey! Come on now. Since I've been playing this game as an MC, to be very sincere and honest with you, this is the finest set of gillies I've seen. Please put your hands together for them once again. This is the finest set. Like, oh my God, the men are looking so beautifully handsome. I swear, there's problem already. There's problem already about this. Okay, you call party to do WhatsApp. Who sees your phone?
Don't invite him anywhere again.
You are not. Look at your opponent first. You don't know the problem you are in. Hey, you see me a problem already.
Remember the home from whence you came.
Hey, please video them. I want to see that. Okay, showcase yourself. On your seat, just showcase yourself on your seat.
The women in purple for me.
Oga carry 2 bags. This man, you get one now. Oga, wait. Why you turn the bag? What kind of problem with this one? Don't worry. Everybody get your stuff. Do whatever you want to do. Turn around. While coming back, greet your audience once. And you take your seat. Guys, I won't tell you if it is 2 or 4. I'm starting with you. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the man that turns his bag upside down. Contestant
number.
Where do they bring these people? I present to you contestant number 1.
Yes. Give them. Yeah.
It's like the sun, lights up the only one I ever see. You are astonishing beauty.
Oh my goodness.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, I know we have problem in this game already.
Just like the sun, lights up. In my heart, astonishing beauty. Oh, you could, you are brighter than the moon, brighter than the star. You make my heart
It's the attitude for me, though. It's the attitude for me, man.
Let's put your hands together for the men. Sir.
The only one I ever seen just yesterday.
All right, PJ.
Oh my God.
All right,
Got me feeling like I'm lucid dreaming, got me flying high.
okay, cut.
Birthday to you. Birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? I am 5.
All right.
Period.
Bless you. Very good Lord bless you.
You see, we want to play, man. I thought it was
Mama.
Larry, give me background. I need help. Okay, we are going to participate after this game. We are going
Hey, guys, I'm an MJ fan, just in case you don't know. Let me put that off because of copyright. Hello guys. How are you guys doing? Today is, what is today? Tuesday, and I just got to Breeze restaurant. It's one of the restaurants that we came to when we had that restaurant crawl a few weeks ago. But today I'm meeting up with my friend Hamsatu. Her birthday was last week or so. Was it last week or yeah, last week? And I couldn't make it for her birthday party. Like, circumstances beyond my control. Totally, I couldn't make it. So I decided, you know what, baby, I'm gonna treat you to lunch today. So we're meeting up here for lunch. I don't know if she's here yet or if she's still on her way, but she called me about 10 minutes ago. So yeah, anyway, let's go in and have lunch. I'm actually famished. I haven't had anything to eat literally today, and this is past 2 p.m. already. So yeah, the lunch is really important for me right now. I need to eat. So let's go in there. Let's see what's going on. It's a very nice sunny day, and I'm saying nice because the last couple of days in Abuja have been very rainy and very cold. So this little sun, I feel like we needed it at some point. But anyway, let's go in there. Let's go have lunch.
I've been waiting all night. Watch you blow a mile. Please don't come over, 'cause you're not sober. Yeah, now you know that ain't right. If your dude knew you was coming over, that would be a problem. Yeah. If our friends knew undercover love, and they would try to solve it, yeah. Me and you, what we do, it's day.
Ooh, look at all the fancy colors. Hi, my darling. This boo-boo is boo-booing. It's boo-boo, baby. I'm so sorry I couldn't make it for your birthday. It's paining me, still paining me today. No, but it's okay now, we're having lunch. But just do it in group and put it on the table. When they come, they'll not dying. Or you can all that to her. Even this packaging you're saying you want. I didn't order anything. I didn't order any food. I'm like, let me wait for you to come first. Because but outside. So there's no way you're not being in this Abuja. Yeah, waka Hamsat. Wash clothes will not dry.
They put on Abuja, you didn't lazy small so.
Yes, now I look for where the sun is hitting. Yes. Look for where the sun hang it there.
Before you want to wear something,
that's as in because that's not dried properly. So annoying. This year to match today. What happened now? Hi. Nice. fine, babe.
I'm very fine.
As in, you see, I'm very fine. Yes. You don't mean it. They know you very well now. How are your French?
And I know that when you come along, I'll be sure. If it's wrong, then tell me that I'm wrong. I don't care. It makes me happy. And if you're happy, then let's be happy. Then let's be happy. Yeah. Me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you. Me and you, what we do.
Hi guys, hi. Hope you guys are doing well. This is my week today. I'm not even sure if, but hi, hope you guys are doing good. Today's Thursday and I'm just about leaving my house. Krispy Kreme is having their VIP opening party today, and some of us influencers were invited. In fact, we were like invited and paid to come, yeah, you know, like document the whole experience and all of that. So it's happening this evening. That's where I'm heading to right now. It's for 4 p.m. It's a miracle I'm leaving my house before 4 p.m. for something that is 4 p.m, you know. But you guys will see my full outfit. But anyway, you guys will see my full outfit. I'm wearing all white, okay, wearing all white. And yeah, anyway, let's go. I don't want to be late, and I'm trying to dodge traffic as well, so let's go.
Just text, I know it's a toss up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Ayy, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? Look, I'm trying to spend this time with you. Know we overdue. What you doing right now? Baby, won't you swing my way? It's been a day and I've been thinking out loud. I know I want you. Long time since the last time. Got a tab, we can run up. Knew you from the way, now we grown up. My look, yeah, made the realest ones nervous. But if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land.
Hi guys, hi. Oh my god, this is like future me at this point. Future me like maybe 5 days after that last clip, and I've been under the weather, guys. I have been very much under the weather, and I think this whole thing started from Mia Rose because she began to have a cold not long after she resumed school. She started having, you know, running nose, from running nose to like a dry itchy throat, from that to like full-blown fever and weakness and all of that. And she even had swollen gums at some point, so she was treated for an infection as well as malaria as well. And in about 2 days after she began her medication, I began to have the exact same symptoms. Started with a terrible cold, like me, when I know I'm going to be sick, it starts with a very, very terrible cold. Like I would begin to have an itchy throat. That's how I know, a day before, and by the following day it would just go into a full-blown cold. Like I was sneezing every 2 seconds. I legit was sneezing every 2 seconds. So the last couple of days have just been a haze. What's all that bang 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 now? Anyway, the last couple of days have been a haze for me. I've not been able to do any much work. I've had so much deliverables that I have not been able to do. Like Saturday was really, really bad because I was literally in bed all through. I had to begin malaria meds and also an antibiotic, so I'm just beginning to like get myself now. And just the other day, Jessie began to have the same. In fact, I don't know what's going on, because I spoke to a couple of people and they're like, yeah, there's like a bug in the air. I'm not sure if it's the rainy season. I don't know what it is, but we're all good now. Mia is good, I'm good. Hobby nipped his own immediately. Like he started antibiotics like that day he began to feel the thing, so it didn't bring him down as bad as it did myself and Mia. Yeah, so I'm just trying to get back into the funk of things. I've not been, I think my last upload was like 2 days ago, and that was because I struggled to edit that video on Sunday, I think. So that's why that video went up on Sunday. If not, was it Monday? I think it was Monday, yeah. That's why I went up on Monday, because I use like a whole day to edit, and normally I don't need a whole day to edit. I need like an hour or two to edit a video. So long and short is that your babe has not been feeling good, but I'm better now, and I'm ready to get back into work and the funk of things. I have so much to do, so much deliverables that I will begin from tomorrow. I'm still taking out time today to like rest and really get myself, and then tomorrow I would get back into all of my deliverables. My meals are buzzing, it's crazy. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed watching this vlog. This vlog was just a vlog of, you know, taking me out to a birthday party, having lunch with my friend, and a mini clip of the Krispy Kreme event, because I didn't really vlog. I had my camera with me that day, but I didn't really vlog. I did mostly for Instagram because that's what I was paid to do, so I didn't really vlog for YouTube. But I think I must have included the Instagram clip, right, in this vlog for you guys to just see what happened there. But yeah, anyway, that's all I have for you guys in this vlog. I'll get back into vlogging really now, and you guys expect more vlogs from me. Even my sit down videos, Seb, I cannot recall the last time I actually did a sit down video. My What's New series, I don't recall the last time I sat down to film a What's New series. So much gist has come and gone since my last What's New. So much gist, but you know what, sometimes life just happens and you cannot have control over everything. Hopefully I can film a new episode of What's New with Alma. I probably will not be mentioning any gist that has already gone in the last 1 or 2 weeks. I probably may not be focusing on that, but you guys will see eventually when it goes up. And yeah, all of that good stuff. I'll see you guys in my next video very soon. Mwah, mwah. Bye.
With you, know we overdo what you're doing right now. Baby, won't you swing my way? It's been a day and I've been